This here models the diameter of pipe where Q is the maximum flow of water pipe and V is the velocity of the water. So what is the diameter of the pipe allowing a maximum flow of 30, water flowing at a velocity of 400? So that V will be replaced with 400. Okay, and you're trying to solve for D. That simplifies to 100. So it's 100 pi D squared equals 30. So D squared is 30 over 100 pi. Okay, so D, you can reduce that. You get 3 over 10 pi. D is going to be the square root of that. When I evaluate that, I get 0.309. Okay, so this is in feet. So to convert it into inches, you get times that by 12 inch. Okay, which is that.